Welcome back to another episode with me, Trains, and we're doing Railway Empire, and I'm just launched this train along this line. Don't know why. So, I've been off. I've been working on the railways with. So I've just been doing some off-camera work. Well, lot. Made a train all the way to St. Louis from New York, which is my hometown in the game, not in real life. So that would be weird. I am planning to make a video one day where I do my home country and connect all the towns I know. Smoke. Good. Whip. Whip. Phew. Whip. I need a supply tower going through the tunnels of doom. Oh hey, supply tower. Bye. Oh. That took forever. Whoop. We're on the move again. Ow, 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 ow. Trees. Ow. Tree hurt. Trees. Oh, we're passing. Oh, they're both wait. Wait. We're here. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Get both repaired. You two go back to work. And you? Are you gonna... Oh! We're getting a big batch. Bye. Boom. Why is no one fixing the problem? I'm a bit worried now about these two. Right, one of them has to. How am I gonna sort this situation? This train wants to go, but this train wants to go. Let's delete. So here, and then we go. Choo choo! So I've just done a bit of randomness. But this train's... Well, that train shouldn't be going that way. It's going the wrong way. Anyway, this train's a super speedy one. I said super speedy. So it goes to New York. That train will never come off that line, dude. Never. Unless it goes to New York. Which its line is so hard. Oh, I think that's it. Going around that band, going for water quickly, and yes, smashing a downtown. Whoa. Let me manage you again and go. Me need you. Wow, what a hard train. This train can haul a mountain's worth. But we need Canadana, don't we? Oh, gonna pick up some speed, eh? Okay, I'm changing you. Canadana! Canadana! He's down here, yep. Really, you can't do it? You're doing a whole entire mountain bigger than this. Oh wait, just had it not on. The magic Canadana with the invisible tender. Now arriving at St. Cruz to deliver stuff back home. Do we need... Right, we're gonna save this as 111. Qua. A. Done. Load up. I think complete. Um, hmm. This should do it, right? We're gonna try and visit some of my old ones and see if I can find the one with the cars. It's in New York. It is. I might go to my Shingo Town one. Hmm. Hmm. Let's go and see if I can find Tyson. Hey, Tyson. Wow, big train you got. Hmm. Oh no, we're being chased. Oh, hey there, big fella. Oh look. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Oh no. The train's caught up. Ah, no harm. 3 milliseconds later. Okay, just go, go, go. Wanna be that train in its own heist. Oh, great train. Oh, oh no. Mm, whoa, whoa. Oh no, this is gonna be an awesome collab. Ooh. E. Mm. E. Ooh, an awesome. Oh, the game froze. The game froze? Okay, let's play a different game. On software to see what we got. No, no games for me. So it froze itself. It's frozen itself. Really? Okay, can you hear me? That was a bit confusing. Meh. Let's try another map. Yes, yes, I know about this. I want to go back to my favourite old town, Elio. Elico, I think it was called. Don't know. It is a bit confusing in these days. Rambox movie. Rambox. Elico. Conquer them all. Mm, 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 mm,
Now you can let your imagination run wild. Unlimited
Cash.
cash, no obligations,
Obligations and
and
no
no
annoying
annoying competitors.
competitors. Which one should I go with? Din 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 din. So right now I'm just on a small station. Rags to riches. This is connect to Wimnica because it was closest. Yes. We need Glass Hoppy. As soon as this train gets to Lico, I think I'm pronouncing it correctly, be maintenance and ready back on this line. Slowly but surely add more platforms as soon as this line gets better. This one's doing like a 50. No, 15? Wow. Blah blah blah. You okay, buddy? Getting some fuel? No. Well, what is this one? Oh, here we are. And let's give this guy some goodness. It's midnight now, but it doesn't have a light, so... There we are, this train looks like a freighter. Go, my little grasshopper. Whimnica's up here. Right, food. So what does Whimnica need? Wheat. Oh wow, we're lucky. 2 wheat farms down by here. Do you know what they need? Connection, that's what. So let's just build over here. We need a freighter this time, which is going to be hard. The only freighter we have is that one. The Whimnica. We'll get the freighter. Now, where's me freighter? New again. Published. 2. Cheese. I love this cheese. Love it so much. Wow, Whimnica's grown. But that means it has to. Right. Another morning of train mayhem. As soon as we connect this town. Right, this line will follow this one to Salt Lake City. So I'm just gonna click this on and go choo choo to here. Over the lake. And right into Salt Lake City. And they have an awesome station. Should I have their salt? I don't know. Milford. These train lines have expanded. Goes to Salt Lake City. No, my trains are gonna be crying. Go train, go! Go train, go! Salt Lake City all the way down to Alico. And add a locomotive. Oh, new one's just popped. His name is Consolidation. No? No. Consolidation. Wow. Hang on. If I go down here, this one. Oh. Wait, it's time of the episode, so hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Good. I meant to do it, Tyson. Okay, bye.